How to fix could not restore WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can also switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Now, in settings again, tap on your Apple ID and then tap on iCloud, and further tap on the See All option. Scroll down and navigate to the WhatsApp option and make sure the toggle button for WhatsApp is toggled on. And now, go to your home screen and restart your device. See if your issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application and now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. Also, in general, again tap on the Background App Refresh option and then tap on Background App Refresh again and make sure the Wi-Fi and cellular data option is selected. So, this is how you can fix could not restore WhatsApp chat history on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.